So I'm actually going to start with a shader brush and the shimmer eye glazes. I'm going to start with Ocean Child, which is the gold one, in the inner half of my eyelid. See if it picks up with my brush, which I don't think it would do a good job with a brush. Maybe this is more for, yeah. I think this is going to be more finger friendly, but I just want to give it a try. And I mean, if you just want a little bit of shimmer, I guess this would work. You would have to work it. So I'm just gonna resort for my finger actually. Ooh, it's picking up very nicely on my finger. Let me do a swatch for you. Very pretty. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa, I was not prepared for that. That's so pretty. But it's very messy, obviously, with your fingers. So I wanted to do a brush, but okay. It's so soft. It's very soft and smooth. This is so pretty. Gorgeous. Oh, it's kind of hard to do the other side. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I'm in love with this shade. I'm just going little by little, that way I don't overdo it, but can you really overdo glitter? It is a little lighter on my eyes though than it is on the actual pan. I don't mind it, it's still cute, it's still cute. I keep dropping this little thing, but I like it because it's so easy to remove and to put back in. So now I'm gonna try the same thing with Aqua Mama. I'm gonna try doing it with a brush first. I'm going in the outer corner. Yeah, no. I'm gonna swatch this one for you too. This one was a little patchier, but obviously once you go and blend it out, it's better. It doesn't lose too much of that glitter. Oh, I already know I'm gonna love this. This eye look right here is giving me pool vibes. Oh my goodness. And then Aqua Mama having those gold flakes on there already. And you can definitely layer it and intensify it as much as you want. I hope it's picking it up on camera, but I think it's coming off more baby blue on camera. But in person, it's literally such mermaid vibes you don't even know. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed. I can't even. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out in a little bit because I do feel like I have a little bit of a harsh line. But let me just do the other eye first. I just hate that I can't be precise, you know, with a brush. Yeah, that's the only thing I hate. And that I can't blend as I go. Now I'm just gonna pull this gold and drag this middle line right here, trying to erase the line so that it looks cohesive. I'm gonna do a stiff blending brush and try to blend out these harsh lines. You know, maybe remove a little bit of this glitter. Oh yeah, then the glitter just goes everywhere. I feel like I can't get them even. No, it's just the way the light's hitting it, I think, because I'm looking at the monitor. I'm gonna do a little bit of Ocean Child in the inner corner. I like it. As an easy little makeup look, I absolutely love it. Especially if you're going to like a fun little party, your little get together, and you know, you just want to spice it up a little bit. I think this is really good. Really easy to work with, although I wish I could work with them with a brush for more precision. But you can totally make them work. They're really, really fun, and the shades are super fun as well. Oops. Seriously? So I was trying to remove my lip balm and I was kissing my hand and I kissed the swatch, so now the shimmer is all over my lips. kind of don't mind it. Okay, so now let's try out these lip blushes. I'm gonna go with Boss Bae first. And the caps actually have like a little purple iridescence to them. Oh, they're different. Oh, they're very different. It's not lightweight. It's not as comfortable as I thought it would be. Although it applies very thin, I feel like there's something on my lips. Like it doesn't feel, it feels like a lipstick. It's kind of sticky. You see that? Yeah, it's sticky. That's annoying. And obviously this shade with this eye look kind of doesn't go together. But now let's test out Bikini Bod. I'm going in with Bikini Bod, which is the more nude of the two. Did you see anything go on my lips? That's so weird. Maybe it's that close to my skin tone. It does have a powdery feel to it. It's weird. Let's see if this dries down because it doesn't feel like it actually would dry down to a matte finish. I do like this color though. I just feel like with a lip liner it would be better. And the way that the lip blush actually dried down, it did settle into my fine lines. They're just not comfortable. And I can already feel that adding a second layer is going to be a nightmare. I don't like these. These are a no-go for me. I think these were a great concept. It just wasn't executed the right way. They do dry down matte, but you're better off with a liquid lipstick because an actual liquid lipstick, you don't feel like it's there. Even though it's there, you don't feel like it's there. This, you feel it. It's not comfortable at all. And you would think that these would be a lighter formula, more like a liquid tint. Yeah, the lip blushes are a no-go for me. Even the application process, it's just not enjoyable. As for these eye glazes are actually one of my new favorites. They were so fun to work with. The colors are beautiful. The color payoff is beautiful. I just wish I could work with them with an actual brush. So the shimmer eye glazes were a total hit, and these were definitely a miss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little demo and review of 4 of the new Kylie Cosmetics summer collection items. I had so much fun creating this eye look. I cannot wait to go out and show it to the world. I'm actually going shopping in a little bit, so I can't wait. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!